Hello, welcome back to Special Data Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue of missing special index. As you can see, I'm trying to run a clip geoprocessing tool. It can happen whenever we're running any geoprocessing tool and it says no special index found. At times, you might get a result, as I did here, but sometimes the result might be degraded. Sometimes the processing time increases massively. It has a very simple fix directly here in QGIS. So let me just shift this guy a bit because we'll get back to it. Open your processing toolbox where you found your processing tool. If you don't know how to do that, go to processing toolbox and then search for this algorithm here. This create spatial index. You can just search for it. You'll find it under vector general here. Create spatial index. So let's open that up. We'll select the layer which we're going to work on. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward. Mine is this land use area. It doesn't create a new file, so you are not looking for any new file to be created. It fixes it within it. So just run this and it runs. So if you are using a shapefile, you check the directory where your shapefile is saved. You see a new file created. Yeah. But if you're using a G package, the file is saved within it. So let's close this guy. The only way to know whether it has worked is for us to try our processing tool again. We'll go back to the parameters and run this guy again and see that it doesn't produce the same error. Alright. So if you try this step and it still doesn't work, then your problem is likely with the geometry, fixing the geometries. Okay, so I've already covered that in a separate video on how to fix geometries. It's also pretty straightforward, just like this. So do well to check it out. I'll add it to the description of this video and you'll be fine. If it also doesn't work, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll try to handle your case separately. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.